FluentPro Backup is a cloud-based platform that protects data in project management systems. FluentPro Backup automatically backs up data in your project for the web according to the schedule that you have configured. Let's check out how to restore data from the backup. To do this, let's first go to the project for the web and delete a project. Let's open the FluentPro Backup app and go to the Data Protection page. On this page, you can find all backups for the projects. We will find our project, set the time frame, and select the latest backup of this project for the required date. Now, click on the icon for the completed backup. Click the Restore button. There are several options for restoring the project. The first option is to restore it as a copy of a project. The next option is Recovery with the data merge. The last option is to delete a project from the project for the web before restoring it. Click the Restore Now button. On the Operation Details page, you can monitor the status and review the summary of all operations launched within FluentPro Backup. There is an option to initiate the restoration process for multiple projects. Open the Backup Summary page from the Operation Details page and click the Restore button. The restoration operation has now been completed successfully. Open Project for the web and verify that the project was indeed restored. As you can see here, the project, schedule, tasks, and field values were fully restored. For more information about FluentPro Backup, please visit our site or contact our sales team.